Hello friends, once again. In this video we are going to learn about the variables and arrays which are used in Python and how to work with them in Python. So let me just close this window, and for that we need to install the IDE for Python in which we are going to work. So I am using PyCharm IDE. PyCharm is a very popular IDE. It is very good to use, so I'm using it. So it's okay. Let us create a new project for that, and we'll call our project Python base create. It is going to take some time. PyCharm IDE. Done. As you can see that our project has been created. So we need to create a file in which we can work and write the code. So let's create a Python file for it, and let's name it as arrays and the variables. Done. So let's start with the very basics of Python. Let me tell you that how you can print something in the terminal window. So in Python, if you want to print something, we simply just need to give the print command and open the braces and type whatever we need to print. Like I need to type my name. So let's check whether it is correct or not. So go to the file and double click or control click and execute the run command. It is showing my name in the terminal window. That means my code is absolutely correct. Moving forward. One thing before moving forward, I need to tell you that in other languages, as we have seen, that we need to have a semicolon in the end of every line. But in Python, we do not need that because it's absolutely not necessary. So moving forward, let us declare a variable and give it an integer value. Let me declare the variable as number. Number is equal to, let's give it some value, 24. Okay. And if you want to print it, just write the print command, open the braces, give the name of the variable, and just run it. Done. 24 printed. Okay. So let's move forward. If we want to declare a variable and give it a string value, how we can do that? Very easy. Just a variable, say name, double quotes open, string value, such a. Done. Let's check whether it is right or wrong. We need to print it. Print name and execute the run command. Such a. Good. Before moving forward, I must tell you one thing, that in Python, indentation is absolutely necessary, which means that if I'm going to change the indentation of this command, then let's see what happens. See, the output is not coming. Just because you have changed the indentation of this line of code, the output is not coming and it is showing an error, indentation error, unexpected indent. You can see it here. This means that indentation is of foremost importance when we are working on Python. Okay. Now I think you keep it in mind, and let's move forward. So let's create a string, and inside it let's type my name is. Okay, so if we want to get the first variable, first character or first element of this string, then what we can do is write, we can give the print command and like string, and we can get the index number 0. The index number 0 means the first character, the first element. Okay, this will give you the first character of the string. So let's run it. M, is M our first character? Yes, it is. M is the first character of our string. Okay, now if we want to print the first 5 characters of our string, then what we need to do? We just need to open the square braces, a colon, 5. So this command will give the first 5 characters of the string. Let's check it. Correct. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that's about the strings. Now let's come to array. Let us create an array or a list called this list. This list is equals to, we can open the square braces, pass values inside it like apple, comma, orange, comma, guava, comma, mango. So we have created an array this list which has 4 elements inside it: apple, orange, guava and mango. So now if we want to access this array, then we can access it. Like first of all, I would like to print this array. So for printing it, it is very simple and very predictive. We can just type array print this list. This command will print the array. As you can see there, the array is printed. Now if we want to access the first element of the array in the index of print this list, if we want to access the first element of the array, then what we need to do is that with the index number 0, and let's check apple. If we want to access the element in the third index number, what we need to do is that pass the value inside the square braces and then check it. Is it correct? Yes, it is. Mango. Mango is the third element. Okay. So now we are moving forward. So let us make a quick dictionary. Let us make a quick dictionary. Dict to this variable is actually a very special variable in Python. It is called as tuple. It has a specific name. This variable is called as tuple. So let me introduce you with the use of it. Using an example dictionary, we can give certain keys and certain values to that keys. Like in this case, the key is like head. For head, The answer will be principal. Okay, next one is dict, subhead, and for that the answer will be teacher. Okay, now let us pass some integer values inside that, and let's see what happens. Dict 1, and for that, for this key the answer will be uh, let's say peon. Okay, for dict 2, let's say the answer will be uh, anything cycle. Okay, so this dictionary is being created. Let's check what if we print this dict tuple. It is showing that at the 1 it is peon, at the head key it is principal, at the subhead key it is teacher, and at 2 key it is cycle. Okay, now we want to check who is the head. What is the value at the head key? Okay, and we just need to print dict, and inside it head. Let's see, it must give us principal. Yes, it is giving. That means our dictionary is being created. And if you want to list the dictionaries, the keys of the dictionary, then you can type print dict dot keys open braces. Okay, let's see what it gives. It is giving us the keys 1, head, subhead, and 2. Okay, and we want to get the values inside the keys. Then what we can do? We can print dict and dot values. Open braces open closed. And let's check. Done. Peon, principal, teacher, cycle. Absolutely correct. So this is all in this video. Let's see what we learned. In this video we learned that how to print something in Python, how to declare an integer variable, how to declare a string variable, and how to access the string and each and every character and element of the string, how to create a list in Python, and the traversal inside the Python. We created a tuple and a dictionary with keys and head, with keys and its values, and seen how it works. So in this, after this video we are quite familiar with the basic functions of the Python, and in the next video we'll be moving on to loops. Thank you.